guys, my name's Emma and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make these surgical masks. I guess that's what they're called. I see them a lot with merch. I actually got this idea because I just went to the sweetener tour and at the merch stands I saw these, but they're like 10 bucks and I was like, do I want to spend money on t-shirts and sweatshirts or on a mask? I decided to make my own, and I actually looked up before this how to make them, like no sewing and stuff. Number one, I don't have a sewing machine. Number two, I can't sew. In this video, it's just a hot glue gun. So that being said, I would not recommend using these for like actual uses, what surgical masks are actually used for, like surgery or doctor stuff, you know, or for air quality. But this is great if you want to take pictures, you want to do like a photo shoot, or if you want to bring it to like a concert. Here's how it looks on. See, it has the thing right here, it's put behind your ear. There is a little bit of cloth kind of sticking out, so I'm not really sure how to fix that. But if y'all figure out doing this DIY on your own, then you can put in the comments, but I'm not sure how to get rid of that. But you know, it looks fine. Other than that, yeah. I hope y'all like this video.
Since you've been lonely, so what will I do? You are the right one, and I'm just the boy who is looking at you. So what will I do? I tried the wrong way. I was just guessing, biding my time. You are the only one I could picture by my side. By my side.
So honestly, that's it. That's all you have to do. Y'all can also draw on it to create your own design. With the Ariana mask, there's a moon, so you can just paint a moon on yours. So if y'all like this video and if y'all like me, please like and subscribe down below.